Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can buy a single piece or a single item on Alibaba. Okay, so as you know guys, Alibaba focuses more on selling products to big companies. Like, do you want to sell large quantities? That's the reason why Alibaba exists in the first place. Okay, like AliExpress owns Alibaba. Okay, like Alibaba owns AliExpress, like they are the same company, but on AliExpress they focus more on selling for personal use. Okay, for like if you want to buy like a single piece from AliExpress, it's much easier because like that's what they do. Okay, any product you click on, you can just buy it directly, you can add it to your cart and buy it. And the same thing on Alibaba. I'm just going to show you guys some tricks that will help you add let's buy a single item on Alibaba. First, you want to search for product you want to buy. For example, I would like to buy, I would say for example, makeup products, for example. Okay, so if you scroll down, okay, scroll down, and here where it says minimum order, you want to select here one. You want to add here one in where it says minimum order. You want to select one and click on OK. You can also make some changes. For example, you can also check this verified supplier if you want Alibaba to show you only verified suppliers or verified pro suppliers or suppliers that respond within an hour. You can do that if you want, but that's exactly what I do guys to buy a single item from Alibaba. I just add one in the minimum order amount. Now any product you can find here, you can add it to your cart and you can buy it. You can just purchase it, click on it. For example, I'm going to click on one of these products, and it says here start order. Okay, of course you can pay using PayPal if you want. It says here start order. Click on start order, and then you want to choose which color you want. Click on continue to order, and here you want to add your shipping address. Okay, click on add address. You want to enter here the shipping information. Here you want to enter the state and the city, zip code, phone number. If you scroll down a little bit, you can also set this as default shipping address. Now after you add here the address, then you want to click on process to pay. After guys you click on process to pay, then it will take you guys to this page where you have to enter your credit card information. Like I said, you can pay using other payment providers like AliExpress, Afterpay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, wire transfer. You can pay using multiple payment providers, as you can see. Now what I like guys is to use my credit card. I'm just going to use my credit card right now. All right, now the CVV is going to be this number. Okay, the year here is going to be this. All right, now after you are sure that you want to buy this product, by the way, the shipping price is going to be a little bit expensive, so you can always contact the suppliers. If you see the shipping price is very expensive, you can contact them. Just click on the product you want, and then you below that, as you can see, next to add to cart, you can see this icon here. Click on it, and then you can contact the suppliers, explain to them that if they offer free shipping or if they can reduce the shipping for you. That's if the shipping price is very expensive for you. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do guys. After you are sure, click on pay now, and that's exactly what you need to do. After 2 days you will receive an email with a tracking number so that you can track your order. Now if you don't want to check your emails, you just need to go to your Alibaba account, click move your mouse here in your profile to the profile picture, move your mouse, and then click on orders, and here you will find all your orders. Now these are all the orders, as you can see I have purchased. Now you can click on here where it says preparing to ship, and here you will find products that are preparing to ship that are still in handling time. The handling time from my experience is going to be 1 to 3 days, so you just need to wait 1 to 3 days for the supplier to ship the product to you. And the shipping time depends really on your country. If you live in United States, the shipping time is going to be, I would say, like 15 days, 10 days, 9 days. It's really different. Like it's not the same every time. Okay, yeah, that's it. Here after they ship the product, if you click on delivery, you will find the tracking number provided to you guys so that you can track your order. You can also track your order inside your Alibaba account. Okay, so that's exactly what you need. Now if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. In case you have any questions you don't understand or something like that, just go to the comments and tell me your questions, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.